Creating a Facebook page is the first step to marketing and promoting your business or brand on Facebook. Facebook walks you through the creation process step by step, but you will need to have a clear idea of what your business does, a profile picture, and a cover photo. Let's walk through those steps on how to set up a Facebook page. But first, I would like to recommend that you use a computer to create your page by using any browser. The iPad is not ideal for that process. First, you'll need to log in to your personal Facebook account. This account will be the one associated to the page you're setting up, and will also be how you will manage your page. Then later, you'll be able to add other admins once your page is set up. Users will not know your personal profile is associated with a specific page unless you decide to make that connection visible. Here you can see, for example, that I'm logged in as Chris Mellan. So the first thing we're going to do is head to the arrow on the top right of the page, click down and see all the pages I'm associated with. We're going to go through how to create a new page. So I'm going to click first on the See More button under My Pages. And then select Create a Page button on the top right. It's here that I will choose a category for the page that I want to set up. So I can choose from two different broad categories, business or brand, or community/public figure. Normally, if you were to create a Facebook page for a hotel or a restaurant, you would choose business as the main category and then hotel as the subcategory. You can see you have quite a large choice. You can also decide to have bar or restaurant as well. Each subcategory unlocks different features for your brand page. For example, if I choose the bar subcategory, I could enter the physical address of my business. This would allow my customers to check in on Facebook. But for the purpose of our module, we will select the brand category. So enter brand here. Then you will enter the name of your page. You will name it exactly that way so that it's easier for me to find your page once you're finished with the module. Start with the term that you're studying, 182 in this instance, followed by the oxygen, the name of the hotel in the case study, and your group number. Now I'm going to select Continue, and it's here that Facebook will walk us through the final steps in creating our page. The first step is to add a profile picture. So this is going to help people find you by using a photo. This is essentially your avatar or your logo. I go into that in more depth in the following movie, so I'm going to select Skip. Also, a cover photo is really important. Again, we'll be covering that a little bit later, so I'm going to select Skip again. So here you can see that is my newly created Facebook page. Facebook is going to hold your hand through the creation process, so they're even encouraging you to invite your friends. My recommendation is to hold off until your page is complete. Facebook might also encourage you to publish your first post. Again, hold off until you create your page. You want to make sure that everything looks wonderful before launching it to the world. So this is your Facebook page. On top, you can see the menu bar. I'm quickly gonna show you what everything does. Clicking on page brings you here to your timeline view. Clicking on inbox brings you to the place where your customers or visitors might interact with you on Messenger. Notifications are all the notifications you might receive, like likes, comments, and shares, and you can track very easily everything that happens on your page. Insight is in a very important section. You can see how much people engage with your post, how many likes, how many comments, how many views you have for every single post. Publishing tools are extra tools that Facebook provides that will help you publish even better content. Ad tools, also important when you come to advertising and how you can advertise, and also give you again the different statistics on that. And finally, settings are the general settings for your page. We will look at that a little bit later on. So we are back now to our somewhat completed Facebook page on the main timeline view. It's looking a little bit blank right now, but Facebook really wants to help you learn how to navigate your page and learn more about the different features. So your next step is going to be following the prompts like the one in the middle, or maybe click on the Facebook page tips that you have here so you can start to learn more about your new page. Go along, read some of the information, and we will discuss how to set up your page further in the following videos.